Hello, ma'am and sir. I am Jonah, 39 years old from the Republic of the Philippines. I am happily married with four children, ages 14, 10, 8, and 6. I am a licensed teacher with a bachelor degree in elementary education and have been teaching grade 4 pupils here in the Philippines. For the past 5 years, I taught multi-grade classes including kinder, grade 1, and grade 2 pupils. And I have been teaching English, science, math, character education, MAPE, and home economics. Aside from this, I am also an expert in household chores such as cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, purchasing grocery items, and others. These are because I have an experience being a housemaid here in the Philippines for almost 5 years. As a matter of fact, I took care of a 5 months old baby with a 2 year old kid, and I also have experience taking care of elders age 85 and above. All of these experiences was did because of my hard work, diligence, obedience, respect, being trustworthy, passion, and commitment with my job. I have chosen to apply and work abroad, especially in Hong Kong, because of high compensation that can support my family's needs and secure our future. I am hoping to see you, ma'am and sir. Thank you, and God bless us all.